You type something good about Kosovo in Google Translate.
Who's Kosovo?
Dog man. I got you missed.
He missed about 50 on me.
Ref.
Let's do it.
I'm running. I'm booking it.
Missed Isaac.
They wanna Randy.
Randy. Okay. Okay.
You fucking
Carrick.
Andy.
You fucking boy.
Carrick, man.
Coming
That's
downstairs.
just Andy.
Oh, it's you. I thought it was.
Oh my god.
That's fine. It's
Yeah,
fine.
nice. Left side of ABC.
I don't know where it came from.
ABC. No worries,
I think that's the smoke I saw Limit doing. I think that's the smoke I saw Limit doing. I can't peek T-con, there's one there. Nice,
One more
nice.
T-con. They're two ops T-con, like, go fuck yourself. Wordle.
Yeah, Andy, did you hit beside CT?
Oh my. Ah! Not mid.
Seriously peeking.
Nah.
Wait, you're not
You. It was laddering. There's still one
Sight.
side.
Anybody kill sight. Thank you.
One
Window.
I didn't get to shoot.
2
I mean,
mid.
that's ballsy as fuck. That's also
Oh my god, limit.
What?
No corner here. Always standing right here.
By my life.
So hard in my life.
Ah,
That's
you
how
got
you
blocked by
block
the
me.
girl you tried to go for.
Huh?
I don't know.
What do you mean by that? Ain't no way.
No way.
They smoked and flashed B tunnels. They could be pushing.
Smith.
Missed.
Why you know head?
Yeah, no, see you later. Excuse me.
Nah, we're not leaving.
Why?
Thanks,
me?
thanks, Smith.
Cunt.
Thanks, Smith.
Left side. Okay. Half
I hate
HP.
you, fucking aubergine.
They won't expect this. I have such a good angle.
Yeah, they won't see you.
I don't know how this is not used in pro play.
Pushing tunnel.
I trust you though.
I fell back.
Can't move. I actually can't. Oh my.
Not like
You
that.
still have full set utility as well.
Right, smoke ramp. What the fuck? Don't worry, fucking Thomas the Train's gone off from the. Oh!
It was back to utility.
Just save.
Guys. And I died. I'm good. I'm good. You guys can win this game alone. I'm not doing anything anyway.
Make one disconnect, Lamar.
Bathrooms.
Don't
Actually.
care.
2 bathrooms. Okay, miss.
Literally
And the end.
I don't know.
Don't know how to.
You just
Okay, Joseph slow.
Oh no.
What was that noise?
1 HP in a dream.
I will win.
Oh, knife him! Run the knife, Tom! Run the knife! Run, Tom!
Run, Tom.
Run, Tom! Oh, Tom, no!
Tom!
This is where those slightly unforced errors will start to be seen. The nerves at an all-time high.
Oh my.
I don't know. I think he's shooting our teammate.
No, I definitely wasn't shooting our team. No. I don't.
Oh, limit, you're fucked, man.
Now he's playing it well. Oh, never mind.
Shut up, Isaac.
Can close it, they'll never see it coming. Ain't no way, man.
Oh no, you're
Oh,
dead.
there's an
I'm gonna
offer
keep
as
him
well.
here.
He's gonna push you, he's an idiot.
Oh my god.
Yes.
Room behind.
Oh,
Andy's behind the pop dog guy.
I'll laugh. Oh, not again. Not again. It's Mirage over again. It's Mirage.
One more mid.
Mid.
Monster out already. He just like
Oh my
beeline
fucking
from B.
God.
Oh, fucking idiot.
This guy's good.
Hmm.
Okay, kill one
Please stop
missed,
moving.
for fuck's sake. Just shoot him, man.
There's a gun. I don't need it. Joking.
Bro, you've really fucked this.
Nah, I'm fine. Look at this guy.
Missed. Nothing has ammo.
I think at this point you could have just reloaded. And you picked the one that...
Alex looks like someone famous. I don't know. Or a pedophile, one of the two. I'm not sure.
It's not long enough straight. Is this one up? Shotgun
Can we
shot.
just go die? Because we're gonna have no fucking money. Oh, well, thank you for listening.
I think there's another one. There's
Palace
definitely another
tagged. I think Palace is tagged.
Andy, rumor has it that you die. From the
Bet.
one. Not even armor damage. All that. That was there. Okay, cool.
So you're gonna have to talk to.
Well, damn.
Don't get knifed again, go on.
Last one backside.
oh.
Don't look at the nades.
Just let him, just let him.
Right, and nearly did against farm.
Oh my god.
Oh my god.
What are we doing?
Scout B, be careful. Coffins.
I'm gonna smoke.
Oh.
Give me a second.
What a smoke!
He's pushed.
Okay, move.
There's two B. I picked up the M4 I killed.
I'm pretty sure one behind, man.
CT one?
Yeah, behind.
What?
Oh, okay, calm down.
Last is
Tell
dead.
me, assess the situation.
That's not
Jeez,
bad.
why are you fucking crouching at a car?
We have bumsies on.
Hope you don't have my mind. That's not
Next
missed.
to the Hulk, are you really Hulk?
Yep.
Oh no way,
Yep.
man. Yeah, big green bicep.
No, I'm big. Yellow.
Why are you in the US?
I've
been in the US for like the past 7 years.
Isn't your skin a bit too
Swear
dark
you've
to
been
be
in Canada,
US?
what?
I used to live in Canada.
Are
but
you
I
an
didn't-
immigrant?
Yeah.
I don't think it'd be working for me with you.
Killing me.
Why is Miss deafened?
Ah, he's eating.
He's eating.
Oh. Haram.
Haram.
Yep.
I think Muslims just starve themselves.
Should do.
Oh, no.
Well, that's massively racist. I can't say that actually.
Guys, we're literally throwing.
We? Who's we?
Isaac.
I'm sorry.
Alright, well, I just had to beat
There's a good boost me.
zero.
So you need to
I
find
think they're coming from behind us.
Yeah.
You're a fuck.